Presenting the Robotic Bell Ultimate, a smart and advanced automatic bell system, perfect for schools, colleges and universities. Its biggest highlight is the cloud programmable system, which means you can schedule and control it from anywhere through the internet. You mouse clicks, you can set the first period, second period, interval or lunch bell, and it rings automatically on time without any manual operation.
Your second period is going to begin now. This is the time for having your lunch.
It also comes with addressable speaker support, allowing you to make different announcements or play music in specific classrooms or building zones.
Amplify Right public address system for mass calling parents, staffs and student supplies are patent-pending technology. Apply for listen mode for listening information from department heads or directors or eminent personalities over the internet.
The system includes a disaster management SOS feature designed for quick alerts during emergencies like fire, bomb threat, active shooter, earthquake, or extreme weather, ensuring immediate safety communication across the campus. Now, talking about its AI features, it can automatically generate AI-powered voice content like daily health tips, motivational speeches, news updates, and stories, keeping your announcements informative and engaging. You can also upload your own custom voice or music for a personalized experience. The Robotic Bell Ultimate works both online and offline, so even without internet, it performs reliably. Robotic Bell Ultimate, not just a bell system, but a complete smart solution that brings safety, intelligence, and automation together to make every campus truly smart.